Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can delete or remove emails in your account on Canary Mail. So let us guide you through it. So head over to the folder inside your connected inbox on Canary Mail. Let me access Canary Mail from my desktop computer, for example. And here in that overview to the left, guys, of these emails inside the folder, simply right-click into the given mail, select delete, and that is going to move the given email to the trash folder. So you will need to access the trash folder. There you go. There you see the deleting process at the bottom, and remove the given email from there permanently to get rid of it for good. Of course, you can always wait for your trash folder to clear the given mail or to remove it automatically. That usually lasts up to 30 days. So that's up to you guys. That's how you remove or delete emails on Canary Mail through the connected email inbox in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.